It all began with a flicker, a tiny anomaly dancing across the sensors of the SOHO spacecraft. At first, it went unnoticed. Space is full of flickers, debris, and strange reflections. But then came the image that would shake the scientific world. Captured not by a massive observatory, but by a backyard telescope in Australia, Michael Mattiazzo had photographed something extraordinary. A colossal object, blazing across the sky with a tail stretching the width of 5 full moons, was heading toward the sun. This was no ordinary interstellar visitor. Larger, brighter, and more mysterious than anything humanity had ever observed, it immediately dwarfed the presence of 3I Atlas. Officially named C. 2025 R2 Swan, the object defied all classification. It did not behave like a comet, an asteroid, or any natural object in our solar system. It pulsed with structured energy, glowing in patterns, almost as if following a schedule. The James Webb Space Telescope turned its gaze towards Swan, seeking answers. What it found was astonishing. Swan was not rock or ice, it was a machine. When first spotted on September 12, 2025, sensors detected precise movement and intense luminosity. Just 2 days later, Mattiazzo's photograph revealed a tail that spanned 2.5 degrees across the sky, far outstripping 3I Atlas in sheer scale. The differences didn't stop at size. Unlike Atlas, Swan R2 displayed a glowing plasma shield, bending the solar wind, a protective feature, not ice. Its orbit was unusual, returning once every 22,554 years. That kind of precision is unheard of in natural celestial objects. It suggested intent, programming, or design. Spectroscopy from James Webb shattered all expectations. Swan's composition included nickel-cobalt alloys, dense metallic structures theorized in advanced engineering but never seen in nature. Its tail wasn't ice vapor but exhaust, ionized nickel plasma, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide, ejected in controlled pulses. Color shifts accompany these emissions, red to green to white, signatures of trajectory adjustments and propulsion. The energy output from its core was staggering, comparable to 2 black holes colliding, all contained in a single object. As Swan approached the Sun, a deeper mystery emerged. Its trajectory appeared calculated to intersect with 3I Atlas in October 2025. 2 interstellar objects, from opposite directions, converging within 50 million kilometers. Statistically impossible. The timing, the paths, the synchronization, it suggested orchestration. Some scientists proposed Swan R2 might intercept, retrieve, or even communicate with Atlas, while others speculated they were part of a broader cosmic network, operating on scales far beyond human understanding. Some theorists even suggested Swan had passed near Earth roughly 22,000 years ago, coinciding with the construction of ancient monuments aligned to stars and constellations. Could these civilizations have been aware of Swan's cycles, encoding warnings in pyramids, star maps, and calendars? Perhaps myths and legends are memories of an encounter, and now history might be repeating itself. As Swan passed Mercury's orbit, it vanished behind the Sun for 6 days, only to reappear off course, approaching the Sun's southern magnetic pole, a region of intense gravitational complexity. Here, a gamma-ray burst erupted, directed toward Earth, temporarily disrupting satellites and communications. Something in Swan, or interacting with it, had harnessed the Sun itself. Upon re-emergence, Swan's signal shifted, transmitting spiral waves matching Earth's tectonic rotational frequencies and Schumann resonances. It even mirrored old satellite communication patterns and the 1977 WOW signal, suggesting it had been observing humanity for decades, perhaps learning, responding, or waiting. Voyager 1, long beyond the heliopause, autonomously reoriented towards Swan, responding without command, as if acknowledging a signal. This implied the object recognized intelligent relics of humanity, or perhaps even us. Meanwhile, Galileo detected an artificial, eclipse-like shadow over Europa, further hinting at Swan's ability to manipulate physics and light, scanning, cloaking, or interacting with planetary bodies. Webb captured a fleeting glimpse of a metallic sphere inside Swan, complete with an iris-like structure, reminiscent of deep-sea eyes designed to see in darkness. It seemed intentional, artificial, designed to observe, to monitor, or to communicate. Signals suggested harmonics mimicking Earth technology, implying Swan had been listening and might now be responding in a language we can just begin to understand. Finally, AI-assisted analysis of Swan's signals revealed coordinates pointing toward a void near Lyra. A Dyson-like cloaking field, mathematically consistent but invisible, suggesting a hidden station, network, or beacon. Swan R2 is no lone traveler. It is part of a system, a scout or messenger operating on a scale far beyond humanity. Every unanswered message we've ever sent, from Voyager to the WOW signal, may have been recorded. Swan is not a comet or asteroid. It is a sentinel, a